Rolling. Okay. What is the meaning of life?
See, people ask me all the time to prescribe some kind of singular meaning to what we're all doing. I think it's more of a phenomenological approach wherein there are events which happen and then we prescribe meaning to them after the fact. We've most likely already come to the decision of what we're going to do before we've done it, and we convince ourselves afterward that we have no choice in the matter. That's what the media doesn't understand, is that we exist perpetually in the moment of choice, and that we are at our most free in the process of making it. Now, I've written a poem to get across this point. I'm hella unathletic and uncoordinated, but I see demons when I get even kind of sort of faded. Next question.
Is there a God?
So what I'd like to do here is, like, if we could just cut between the questions, and then in the second one, I'm wearing sunglasses to imply that time has passed.
Is there a God?
So, okay, every kind of role that we can step in and out of is really just drawn from this deck above us, a narrative unfolding for us to witness in a theater in the sky, like a series of tarot arcana. Most people, they look at this room and they think it's just a bunch of glass. Me, I look at glass, I'm in a fucking hall of mirrors, okay? See, my life is like Fight Club, like I'm living inside of a hall of mirrors in my head at all times. There are fractured selves within the one self that we say has the same name as us. People walk up to me and they ask, "What's your name?" As if there's a word for what I am, as if I can reduce it to a series of sounds. There's no single.
Is there life after death?
There are a couple different ways of going about this, and you can see it. Like, you can go there now. If you close your eyes for long enough, you'll be greeted by some really friendly folks who will show you the ropes of how to navigate the spirit world. And if you blaze some fucking tryptamine crystal, you could get a real quick trip.
Are you ready? Yes. To the mouth, please.
In our mortal forms, as we are tethered to these physical manifestations, we can only go so far toward or perhaps past the threshold into the spirit realm. Often with the help of holy sacraments, hallucinogens.
Oh. Hold it. 10, 9, 8.
Through
7,
the little
6,
audio guide
5,
and gallery of what was documented in the Tibetan book of the dead.
1.
Were there noises out the window? Sounded almost like a sprinkler. Yeah, it was mostly moving very fast through a passageway, but the geometry of the passageway was also like an object that I was looking at. It was very like hypercube.
Is there any final words you would like to say?
Inshallah.